Look at the word students. Let's study or let's exercise. Let's do the exercise of subject complement, direct object, object complement, direct object again, like these things. Okay. My younger brother. Raise your hands. Not speak out of it. What my younger brother is? Iman. Well done. My younger brother Iman says is subject. Iman says, my younger brother is subject. Clear? And was, what is was? What is linking verb? Speak one by one. It comes in bad manners when you speak all together. Animals speak together. Human beings just speak one by one. Clear?
Yes.
Did you understand that?
Yes.
Now you will come to know afterwards if somebody speaks together.
Right.
Open the door. Open the door. Don't sit in front of the door, please. Thank you very much. For tips or video tips. She's a good student, She is giving me video tips. Don't set a cam on her.
Okay.
Don't set a cam on any student. Only one senior student. Clear? Sit down, sit down. Yes, what's your name? Hijab. She was saying that, was is a verb or helping verb. Clear? Was sick. What is the sick, by the way?
It's
And
a
what?
subject complement.
Subject complement. And what is yesterday? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. What is yesterday? Belongs to time. And who talks about the time? Who talks about the time? Adverb. Clear? So yesterday is adverb. This is subject. Clear? This is helping verb. Clear? Sick is SC.
Adverb.
No, hold on. Sorry, I'm mistaken. It is a linking verb. You are right. I'm wrong. Let's admit it in the broad daylight.
You don't
Hold on. Let me admit that I am wrong and I am admitting it in a broad daylight. No clapping, no disturbance at all. I don't want disturbance, okay? This is not something to be happy on. It's something to be embarrassed, to be feel some shame because I forgot, It's a linking verb. Clear? But I'm a shameless person sometimes. Brother. It's okay, brother is, sick. It's subject. This is linking verb. This sick is subject complement. That is adverb. That adds meaning to the verb. Adverb. Clear? No. Why sick is subject complement? The question of the day. Yes. Hold on.
Because it completes subject.
Because sick is completing the subject. What is the subject, by the way?
My younger brother.
My younger brother is the subject. It is completing the subject. If I say my younger brother was, it does not give a complete sense until and unless I place sick over here. Clear?
Yes.
So I think I have discussed it in detail. I have discussed it in detail. So I have to be. All the children liked the movie. Clear? So I'm underlining it. All the children. Sarah,
Subject.
well done. That is subject. Clear? And liked. You cover with this red hand sheet. Stand up. Hold on. Let the students look at her. She's telling us.
I can't see her.
Please keep silent.
Thinking.
Linking verb. It's not a linking verb. It's a main verb.
No.
It's a linking verb.
It's a main verb. Oh no. It's a main verb. It's not a linking verb. Linking verb is there between a complement and the subject. Clear? Well done. Anyway, good. At least she stood up, okay? And she took a courage, okay? Like the main verb and then the movie. What is the movie?
Direct object. D-O.
Is it a way to speak?
No, sir.
You don't know the manners?
Animals speak like this.
Manners.
So much.
Learn some manners, please. It makes me angry. I'm sick and tired of such attitude. You have broken all the suspense. Anyway, all the children, that is subject. This is liked. Main verb. The movie is direct object. Why the movie is direct object? Who will tell me? Give me an explanation. No is the question. No is the right question. Who will tell me the reason why the movie is direct object? Should I explain it? Action of liking is directly affecting the
Movie.
That's the reason movie is direct object. Please don't speak. Don't speak loudly, okay? It gives a bad impact. Exercise has made his muscles strong. Again, exercise. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Don't speak. What the exercise is? Subject. Well done. What is has? Raise your hands. Iman. What is has?
Main.
No.
What is has?
Second.
Somebody else. Has. Helping verb because it is helping the main verb made. Clear? This is the main verb. Clear? And then his muscles. His muscles.
Direct object because
Direct object strong.
subject object complement.
Object complement. Clear? It's object complement. Why his muscles is direct up?
Because it is directly
Who is directly affecting?
muscles is directly affecting to exercise.
Who is directly affecting the muscles?
Made
Which action is directly affecting the muscles?
Strong.
Don't guess. Don't make the fluke shots. No aerial firing, please. Yes?
Strong. Exercise strong.
Action of making is directly affecting his muscles. Action of making. Clear? This is action verb. Clear? Main verb, that is action verb. So action of making is directly affecting the muscles. That's the reason his muscles is direct object. And exercise has made his muscles subject. This is helping verb, then main verb. His muscles direct object, then there is object. And who is completing the direct object? Object complete. The one that completes the object is called object complete. For example, if I say exercise has made his muscles, does it give a complete sense? It does not give. It doesn't. Clear? Until and unless I write
Strong.
strong. Clear? So
Yes.
that's the reason it is object complete. Next one. The suppliers supplied drugs to the store. Store, okay?
Yes.
Maybe it's not coming. Maybe somebody stand in front of it. Okay? It's like this, okay? No, she don't. Please don't disturb it. Don't shake the chair. The suppliers supplied drugs to the store. The suppliers, somebody raise your hands. Subject. Clear? So backlines, backbenchers, they are not responding. Why? They are silent, they are passive, they are not active. Supplied. Okay, the student from the back, side, Student from the back benches, back chairs, You please. Yes, you. What is supplied? Which one it is? It's a main verb, action verb. Clear? Supplied. Then drugs. What is the drugs? Yes, you. Yes, you. Yes.
We are not able to see the board.
You are unable to. You may stand over here.
Yes.
Next one, drugs. Yes, you. You please. What are the drugs? Drugs.
वीडियो में आई है
What are the drugs? They are direct object. Clear? The storekeeper, that is indirect object. Clear? Supplier subject, supplied main verb, drugs. Because action of supplying is directly affecting drugs. Action of supplying is directly affecting drugs. And then it is affecting the storekeeper. Then it is affecting the storekeeper. Is it happening to all the students who are sitting on the back seats? Or you only have got eye issues, eyesight issues? You've got eyesight issues. Yes? Do you want something to do?
Sir, I can't be able to see the board.
You are unable to. You may stand over here. You may stand over here. Clear? But don't disturb the wires. There are wires with you. You may also stand over here in this corner. Clear? If anybody has got the issue of eyesight, please. Next one, that is time makes the worst enemies a friend. Please give me a small signal like this time is running out. Clear?
15 minutes are left.
Still we have got 15 minutes. Okay? Time makes the worst enemies friends. Clear? So again, time. Raise your hands. What is time?
Subject.
Well done. Makes.
Main verb.
Main verb or verb. Clear? The worst enemies. The worst enemies.
Direct object.
Direct object. A friend.
Object.
OC. Clear? Why the worst enemies they are direct object? Why the worst enemies are the direct object?
Because when directly affecting the most.
Who is directly affecting?
Makes. Main verb.
Remember this phrase, just
Action of time.
action of making is directly affecting the worst enemies. Remember this sentence again and again. I am asking you this sentence. Action of making is directly affecting the worst enemies. Clear?
Yes.
And why a friend is object complement? Because it is completing the object, the worst enemies. It is completing the object, the worst enemies. Are you understanding it? If you have any
Yes,
question,
yes,
please let
sir.
me know. Okay. Next slide, please. Somebody should help it. Help me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They arranged a party for the new couple. Clear? Again, what is the subject? Arrange. Verb, main verb. A party. A party.
Direct object. Direct object.
Direct object. And for the new couple. Or the new couple, that is indirect object. Action of arranging is directly affecting
The new
party and indirectly affecting the new couple. Clear? Now you got the concept of direct and indirect object. Next one is sickness made the child irritable. Clear? Sickness,
Subject.
made, work, the child, direct object, irritable, is it object complement? It's object complement, clear?
Yes.
Let it make it object complement. OC, clear? Sickness is subject, maid is verb, the child is, why child is direct object? Because action of making is directly affecting the child, clear? And why irritable is object complement? Because
Complete object.
it is completing the object, the child, clear? Next one, he teaches us English. Geometry, not English, oh my god. My subject, don't teach my subject. Clear? Indirect objects. This is subject, clear? Teach, verb, and us is
Direct
indirect object. This is direct object, I think so.
Yes.
Why us is indirect object? Because
Because teaching is indirectly affected us.
action of teaching is indirectly affecting us. It means first he worked on geometry. First he prepared a lecture on geometry, then he taught us. Clear? So action of teaching is directly affecting geometry, indirectly affecting us. So English is indirectly affecting you, directly affecting me. Clear? Or I am directly affecting English, okay? Next one, Faiz Ahmed Faiz was a poet. Again, Faiz Ahmed Faiz subject was, is it linking verb? Clear? And a poet is subject complement. Time is over? Clear? Faiz Ahmed Faiz subject was linking verb. And who is completing the subject? Faiz Ahmed Faiz?
A point.
A poet. Clear? Next one, let me complete this. Done.
Okay.
Clear? My father, subject, sent verb, me, direct or indirect object?
Indirect.
I owe. Clear? A money order, direct object. Clear?
Yes.
Action of sending is directly affecting
Money order.
money order, indirectly affecting,
Me.
indirectly affecting me, directly affecting
Money order.
money order. That's the reason. Me is indirect object and
Money order.
money order is.
Direct.
Keep sitting. Any question?
No.
Let me know. Till then, have a nice day.
Okay, sir.